Hello my friends, and welcome to this full body standing stretch. We're going to keep things quick and easy today, so there's no getting down on the floor, no single leg balance, no extreme folding or twisting, so perfect to do if you're just easing back into movement, or if you're a beginner, or if you just want a quick and easy full body stretch where you don't have to get down on the floor. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position, taking your feet about hips distance. We'll start with some heel lifts. Let's do them one at a time. So we're going to squeeze the calf to lift one heel, then lower back down, then squeeze the other calf and slowly lower back down. So we're just lifting, waking up the ankles, getting some movement and some blood flow through our lower legs. And as you get more comfortable with this, you can pick up the pace slightly and kind of move from one heel to the other. Nice and fluid. Continuing to stand up tall, your shoulders are down and back, crown of the head reaches up. Let's do 3 and 2 and last one. Now we'll do something similar for the hips. So taking your feet out a little bit wider, slowly shift your weight into one foot and then the other, getting some lateral movement in through your hips, side to side. Throughout this practice, of course, if you want to hold on to something, you can. It's perfectly fine. And now let's make this movement into a circle. So we're going to draw our hips forward, around, over to one side, and then back, making the movement as small or as large as you are comfortable with today. One more in this direction, and go ahead and switch and go the other way. Finding one more big circle. And stand up tall. Awesome, good job. Step your right foot back. Your left foot's gonna come forward. So we're in this little baby lunge. It doesn't have to be very wide. Feet are tracking forward ahead of you, and you can always step your feet out wider. So make your base wider or more narrow, depending on how you're feeling. Bending into your front left leg. And you should feel a nice stretch through the front of your right leg, so your hip flexor, which often gets very tight from sitting. So just hang out here, find your little stretch, and if anything feels tight, just try to breathe some space into it, telling the body that it's safe to relax. You can even add a little bit of a forward and backward motion if that feels good for you. Every time you shift forward, give your back butt muscle a good squeeze. Stretching out through your hips. You can get a little bit into your ankle and your calf, especially on that back leg. Now from here, we're going to step the right foot forward to come into a hamstring stretch. So go ahead, step right foot out in front of your left. Your right heel is going to come to the ground. Sit your hips back, hinging at your hips. Imagine you're being pulled out of the crown of your head, so you're staying really nice and long to feel a stretch along the back of your right leg. One more breath in. As you exhale, press your way up. Give the right leg a little shake. We'll do that on the other side. So the left foot is going to step back to find our lunge. Shifting your hips forward till you feel a nice stretch to the front of the left leg. Maybe play around with adding a little bit of movement here, shifting forward, shifting back, squeezing your left butt muscle, your left glute, every time you shift your hips forward. Full breath in. And as you exhale, step forward slowly to find your hamstring stretch. The left heel comes to the ground, left toes flex up, hinging at the hips here, feeling a nice stretch through the back of your left leg. Slowly press your way up to standing. Give both your legs a little shake out. Come into a full body stretch. Take a big inhale, reach your fingertips up. As you exhale, side bend over to the right. Your right hand can travel down your right leg as your left fingertips reach up and over. Then we'll come back up to center and over to the other side. Repeating that as you feel good, as you're breathing. You can also come all the way up onto your tippy toes, making this truly a full body stretch from head to toe. And let's do one more to each side. And slowly release your arms, give them a little shake out. Bring your right arm across your body, coming into a shoulder stretch, keeping your neck long, your shoulder down and away from your ear. You should feel this through the front of your shoulder here. Gently bringing that right arm towards you if you need to deepen the stretch. Next, let's move into a tricep stretch. So the right arm is going to reach up and then bend. Right fingertips travel down your back. You can use your left hand on your right elbow here just to deepen the stretch. Standing up tall, opening through your chest. One more full deep breath in. And exhale, release your right arm. We'll do that on the other side. The left arm now comes across for the shoulder stretch. Standing up nice and tall, ear away from shoulder. And now for the tricep stretch, left arm reaches up, left fingertips travel down your back, keeping your chest open. One more full deep breath in and release your arms, give everything a little shake. Inhale to reach your fingertips up and make a little basket behind your head, elbows opening out wide. We're gonna do a cat-cow. So on your inhale, try to open your elbows a little wider as you gaze forward and up, opening the chest. As you exhale, close your elbows towards each other as you round your upper back and gaze down towards the ground. This movement can be as small or as big as you are feeling today. Try to sync with your breath. It's an inhale to open and an exhale, round. One final big inhale as you open. Allow your arms to open out wide, really spreading and reaching through your fingertips, feeling an amazing stretch to the front of your body. And release your arms. We have a few more. Let's do a little bit of a neck stretch. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, melt your right ear towards your right shoulder. You can extend your left fingertips out to the side here to feel a stretch along the left side of your neck. Full deep breath in and out, releasing any tension that you might be feeling. On your next exhale, tuck your chin towards your chest, roll your head all the way over to the other side. Extending your right fingertips out to the side this time, feeling a stretch along the right side of your neck. One more time, tuck your chin towards your chest, roll your head all the way over to the right. And back through to center. Standing up tall, give yourself a big shoulder roll. We'll end with a chest opener. So interlace your hands behind your back and draw your knuckles down. If this is too much on your shoulders, don't worry. Simply place your hands in your low back, using that just to apply a little bit of extra leverage to open up through your chest and your shoulders, spreading your collarbones. Take a full deep breath in and out. And one more just like that. Inhale and exhale. And on your next big breath in, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, driving your elbows down towards the ground. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. It really supports my channel. Thank you again for moving your body with me today, and I will see you again soon. Bye.